Welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking, the Shore Edition. This is where our family loves to get together. Our shore house is right by the ocean, so we have a lot of seafood around here. We eat off the land. My husband and I love cooking in this outdoor kitchen because the view is always beautiful, there's water. So this is like our happy place, and we enjoy cooking out here. So today, I'm going to show you how to make scallops wrapped in bacon. This is the easiest thing to make. I'm the type of person that when I have a big group of people over, I like an abundance of food. I want people to walk in and say, wow, Lisa cooked a lot of stuff. So all you need is a package of bacon, some fresh scallops, the jumbo size, some toothpicks, and some fresh lemon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some bacon, and I actually cut it right down the middle. We are going to take one scallop, we're going to take the piece of bacon, we're going to wrap it around just like this, and we're going to stick a toothpick right through it. That's it. And we're going to lie it on a sheet pan. And we're going to repeat this process till all your scallops are wrapped. Now you want to put them about an inch apart, but what you will notice is when you start to cook them, they are going to shrink. And the bacon is going to make a lot of natural oils. Fish in general cooks very quickly. This in particular fish, which is a scallop, is going to take about 10 to 15 minutes on a high oven. So the rule of thumb is when you cook fish, it's on a high temperature for a short period of time. Look how pretty this looks. Now the reason why you want to cut your bacon in half is because when you have a longer strip, it wraps around the scallop too many times, and when you bite into it after it's cooked, you're missing the flavor of the scallop because then the flavor of the bacon overpowers it. So you want a little flavor of the bacon and a little flavor of the scallop at the same time. There's something very simple and beautiful about this dish. Look how pretty this looks. All done and ready to go in the oven. Now remember, high oven, short time. So let's pop them in. So because we're outside in my outdoor kitchen today, I'm going to be using my pizza oven, which is set at about 500 degrees for about 10 minutes. But if you're home, I would also set your ovens for 500 degrees for about 10 minutes, just in case you don't have an outdoor kitchen. Now I think they're done. Now let's check. It looks beautiful. They look perfect. So this is what you're looking for when a scallop is cooked. You want the bacon to be nice and juicy, the scallop to look cooked but still be moist in the middle. Plop them on the plate and take the toothpick right out, just like this. My last step is to garnish it with a little bit of fresh lemon right on top. There you have it, scallops wrapped in bacon. How delicious does this look, and how easy was it to make? And I promise you, your family and friends will love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me some comments below and let me know what you think. And if you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to click right here. See you next time. Bye.